Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man VV, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. So look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to mix auto-tune singing vocals on a 2-track. All right, I know a lot of people are struggling with this. They're trying to figure out how do I get it to sound professional. This is the video. I'm gonna show you guys exactly the steps I take to get it to work every single time. And look, man, if you're still struggling to get your vocals to sit inside the beat and really balance out your vocals and beat, check out my free course down below. It's gonna teach you how to balance out the vocals and the beat perfectly every single time. It takes like 15 minutes and it's completely free. So check that out down below. I won't overtalk it. Let's jump right into the video. I'll play back the song as it is and we'll start to jump into the moves.
She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for ya. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby, I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby, I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody, the city life.
Cool. So as you can hear, the song sounds pretty good. It's not balanced that well, and that's really the first thing we're going to dive into. But if you look around, some of these tracks aren't really where they should be. Like this one right here is panned somewhere, and I really want it to come straight down the middle. I don't think I want that to be an ad-lib, or maybe I'll flip these. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to move some stuff around and start with step 1, which is really to balance out your vocals and your beat. Now, if we take a step back, step 0 is to just record super clean vocals. And if we mute out the beat, we should hear some really clean vocal recording.
I can't even lie, baby, I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby, I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for.
So cool, as you can hear, the vocals have plenty of headroom. Nothing's clipping, nothing's distorted. We don't have a whole bunch of background noise, none of that stuff. And you can achieve these same kind of clean vocals no matter where you record. You just have to make sure that you take the necessary steps. Meaning, make sure you get into a quiet environment. Make sure you're choosing the best space within your actual room to record. And 3, just make sure that you're using proper recording technique, proper gain staging, proper preamp. And if you're using compression, you're not going too crazy with it. All right, simple stuff. So let's go ahead and start to balance out the vocals and the beat. I think the beat is too loud, so let's start there.
I can't even lie, baby.
Let's go ahead and load up a mix rack. And from here, we'll just grab a channel. Boom.
I can't even lie, baby, I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby, I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody, the city lights. Riding through the city lights. Riding through the city nights. Riding through the city nights. Dreaming, and I hope it all comes true. Get it all for ya. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for ya. Guess you know the real.
Cool, so we already have some effects on the actual channel. I want to get rid of all of these things. I'm going to get rid of the mic emulation, everything. And all we're going to use is just a channel strip. And let's just get levels first.
Get it all for ya. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for ya. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby, I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby, I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for.
I think like a 2 dB boost for the vocals should probably help. And let's go ahead and copy this to all of our vocal channels.
Get it all for ya. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for ya. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby, I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby, I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody, the city lights. Riding through the city lights. Riding through the city nights. Riding through the city nights. Dreaming, and I hope it all comes true. And I hope it all comes
Then we'll grab a mix bus for the mix bus, and let's see where our levels are hitting at. We're still in the balance phase here.
Get it all for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you.
A little bit too loud going into everything, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and load up a clipper right here. I'm gonna put it at the end of our channel.
Get it all for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time.
Cool. So I like the way that's balanced out now, but you'll notice it still sounds like at some points the vocal is like behind the beat. So what do we do there? The next step you have to do is control everything. So the problem is that the vocals are too dynamic. They're up and down. Some words are louder than others. We want to decrease that dynamic range. We want to make the vocal a more consistent sound, less up and down. So the way to use that, to do that, is using compression. So we're going to do some light compression on the vocal bus, and from there we'll run it. Let's get it. Don't tell me that this is. All right, we're still going, whatever. All right, so yeah, let's get some light compression on the vocal. We'll go to our lead bus here. We're gonna just bring another virtual mix rack. And we'll do the same thing. We'll grab the channel. Now, the reason I'm using this virtual mix rack is to create some consistency across the entire mix. It's giving us the sound of mixing our entire song through a console, through an SSL console in this instance. And it just adds some harmonics and some saturation and just some different flavor to the mix when you don't have a whole console to mix through. So let's grab this, and then I want to go with a little bit of a slower compressor. So we're going to grab the SSL compressor, but we're going to engage the fast mode.
All for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding.
And I can also tell that when we recorded this vocal, the mic that we used wasn't that expensive. It was definitely a lower priced mic. You can tell because the upper mid range is a little brittle. The higher range is just a little bit thin. You're losing some body in the low end. We should be able to fix that with EQ, but I might want to move around the order of my plugins. So I'm going to get everything dialed in, and then you'll see me probably move around what comes first, what comes second, that kind of thing. So let's do that.
Get it all for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody. Yeah, riding through the city lights, riding through the city lights, man. Riding through the city night. Get it all for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you. Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I get it all for you. She said all them niggas that you with, no, they ain't for you.
I also realized that this part I moved to the wrong spot. I think we should maybe just boost the volume here. Bring this one back where it was and maybe just tuck it a little. So let's see how that sounds.
I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding.
We still gotta play with the balance, but I think that's a little better.
I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding.
What I'm gonna do here is take this off and let's add a little bit more effect.
I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it.
That's more reverb.
I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding.
I'm a fan. All right, bet. Let's get back to it.
You know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it. And I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody. Yeah, ride through the city lights, ride through the city lights, baby. Ride through the city nights, ride through the city nights, dreaming, and I hope it all comes true. Yeah.
Cool. So I'm liking the way that that's starting to sound. Cool, so I'm liking the way that's starting to sound. I think that we need some compression on the overall mix bus. So let's go back to the virtual mix bus, or the virtual mix rack that we loaded onto the mix bus. We're saying mix a whole lot. And let's add some bus compression to the overall track. So let's grab this dynamic. We'll keep it slow this time. Let's start at 0.
Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it, and I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for nobody. Yeah, ride through the city lights, ride through the city lights, baby. Ride through the city nights.
And from there, man, your possibilities are endless. These are the steps you need to take when you're trying to mix a pro vocal on a 2-track. Make sure that your recording is super duper clean. Balance the vocals on the beat, and then you just want to start controlling everything and getting it loud. Look, man, these are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below. Remember, my name is Vivi, and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Guess you know the real meaning of love. I can't even lie, baby. I've been trying to find it, and I can't even lie, baby. I've been stuck on grinding. I've been living life like I don't got no time for